Hi, my name is Priska. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an electric pressure cooker. As you know, a pressure cooker is used to cook food under pressure. In essence, it's going to cook your food in the shortest time possible. This is due to the pressure that's inside the pressure cooker. Let's get right into the video. When you cook food with a pressure cooker, you will be saving a lot of time and a lot of energy, because the time that you would have used to cook your food on a normal heat, it would have taken a longer time. But when you use a pressure cooker, you'll notice that the time that you are going to use is very short, and you'll be saving time and you'll be saving energy at the end of the day. And that's what we want as humans, right? First of all, I'm going to show you how the electric pressure cooker looks like. In totality, this is how it looks. The major parts you will find is the lid, which is this one. Let me show you clearly. This is the lid. The second item that I'll show you today is this pot, the pot that already has measurements. You see, it has already been given measurements. This is in cups. And then this is the body of the pressure cooker. This is how it looks on the inside. Let me put this down and show you well. This is how it looks from the inside. And on the face, you will see this. Okay. Now, on the lid, you'll see that there is this valve. The release, it's even written here, the release. Let me bring it close to my camera. The release and the seal valve. Hope you can see that clearly. And then this is rotating, so you'll be turning it either on release or on seal. This is on the lid. You also have this opening that releases the steam or the pressure when cooking is in progress. When you cook, you will notice that it comes up. If you want to know that the pressure has gone down, it will go back down. Then you have this rubber that enables you to rotate and to close the lid properly. That's all about the lid. And of course, this is where you put your food. And as I said, it's already measured in cups, so that you can know how much water, how much grains or whatever you're cooking that you'll be able to do. It's already measured in cups, and that's what you're going to use. You see, it's non-stick, meaning it's very easy to clean. You see? Okay. Let me now take you to this part, the third part of the electric pressure cooker. Here you'll be able to see the options that you'll be able to use when you're cooking. You see there's steam, there's porridge, there's soup, there's yogurt, there's a slow cook, high steam, there's stew, there is beans or chili, hard, perfect, soft, there's rice, there's warm there's warm or cancel, time preset, and the rest. This varies per pressure cookers. Other pressure cookers have more options, but for this signature electric pressure cooker, these are the options that you'll find on the pressure cooker. Now, when you choose an option here, and maybe that's not the correct one, you can cancel it here and you choose another option here. For example, you want to cook stew and then you maybe accidentally pressed on the bean. You can actually cancel and then you put another option, which is the stew. That's right, it's so easy. I'll show you when I start cooking with it. So as I said, using an electric pressure cooker is so easy because all the options most of the things that you would want to cook are already indicated on the face of the pressure cooker. So you don't need to think of the minutes that you'll use, the hours and the rest. It's already put there. It's just you to press and your food cooks, and when it goes off, your food will be ready. To put this to test, today we are going to cook some beans, and then we will see if really what is being shown on the face of the pressure cooker is what it really does. That's the only way that we can try it out. So let's get into it. Now let's put the pot inside, and then we put our beans which we had soaked. You can choose not to soak, others you can soak, or you can choose not to soak. So for us, this is our beans for the day. Let's now proceed and put the beans inside. Okay, let me bring some water. This is clean water. Let me add a little. We've added the water. This water is enough. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. This is how it looks after you put the beans inside the pot. Before you put the pot inside the pressure cooker, ensure that the area is very dry. In fact, one of the instructions on this pressure cooker is that the pot should be very dry. I think it's to protect you from electrocution or something like that. Okay, this is how our beans look like inside the pot. Now let's proceed to close it. I don't know if my camera is focusing well. On the pressure cooker, you see there's open, there's close. So make sure that you close it well so that no pressure escapes from your electric cooker. Now let's proceed and close. Let's close it. Close like this. You just press it on top like this and you close it. That's simple. That is already closed. See, open, close, right? And then you see this valve. There is the release and there is the seal part of the valve. Make sure that it rests on seal. This ensures that none of the pressure escapes from your pot. Now we turn it here, and we are doing so well up to this point. Then we proceed to counter check, is our pot well closed. Let's counter check if our pot is well closed. You just pull it like this and it's tightly on place. It's tightly on place. Next, we're going to plug in the pressure cooker into the power. This is how you're going to do it, just like this, like that. See? And before you put it on, go down. Here, turn it this way. Turn it this way. It's saying caution, please insert the pin plug to the end. So we ensure that the plug has been plugged. We ensure that the plug has been inserted well as per the instructions. For us, ours is okay. I've seen ours is okay. It has been plugged well. Then we turn it back and we put on the power. Just like that. You heard the sound. That shows that it's already on. Now you come back and choose what you're cooking, and in this case we are cooking beans. Now we've put on the power, and this is how it looks. It's at 000, you see. And now that we are cooking beans, we already have an option for beans. It's already there for us. We don't need to think about it, it's there. We will proceed and just press on the bean, right? See? Let's see how many minutes. It's saying 32 minutes. You'll hear her clicking sound. You heard that? That shows that the cooking process has already started. When you hear that beeping sound, click, it means that the cooking process has begun. And for this, it's going to take 32 minutes. So let's leave it to cook. After 32 minutes, we'll come back and see if indeed our beans are well cooked. Thank you for joining me this far. Thank you for being part of this vlog. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this type of content, please don't hesitate to hit on the subscribe button down below and join me in growing my YouTube channel. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for returning and watching my content. See you shortly, and we will review if our pot has really given us the results that we want. See you shortly. Bye. Our timer has gone off. Our cooking time is now complete. Let's check out if our food is also ready. When you hear her beeping sound and you see that B, it means cooking has come to an end. First, we are going to switch off the power. Now let's check if our pressure cooker is actually off. Yes, it's off. Now it's safe for us to even unplug it from the socket and return the valve from seal to release. When you turn the valve to release, the pressure goes off, and in a few minutes we will be able to open our pressure cooker. Please note that you cannot open the pressure cooker if the pressure has not been released in totality. It might burn you and it might cause a lot of injury. So turn it slowly. You see the steam coming out. That is steam plus pressure which is coming out. Give it some time, and in a few seconds, or in a few minutes, sorry, it's not even seconds, it's a few minutes, the pressure will all be out of the cooker.